This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connectivity so motion settings will apply reliably. Open the Blink app and sign in. Make sure your camera firmware is up to date. Once done, tap the camera you want to configure and access device settings. You do this now because an online, powered camera exposes motion options. Without it, changes won't save. Make sure to be on the same network so the app can communicate with the camera immediately. You now change the motion parameters. In device settings, turn motion detection on, then adjust sensitivity higher to catch subtle movement or lower it to reduce false alarms. Next, define motion zones so the camera ignores irrelevant areas like streets. Once you pick zones, set a schedule so motion only records during desired hours. This reduces notifications and battery use. Make sure to save each change. The app shows a confirmation when the camera accepts new settings. You finish by testing. Walk through the zone and watch live view or check the notifications to confirm motion triggers. If detection fails, restart the camera and router because transient network issues often block setting updates. If motion settings still won't apply, try disabling and re-enabling the camera in the app, then test again. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing else works, perform a factory reset and re-add the camera, because corrupted profiles can prevent motion configuration from sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.